नमस्ते, आपका स्वागत है सेकंड पॉप स्टार्स में।
It was the most amazing experience of our lives, like all together. It was. I always had the dream, sing and become famous at the same time. And finally, with Popstars, that dream has come true. It's been like the greatest platform ever. Popstars is basically. I don't know. I've grown up with Popstars. It's going to be just. It's just going to get better and better. It can't get. It can't. It can never go back, go down. It's just going to be like up again. Hey, I'm Mahua. Hi, I'm Neha. Hi, I'm Pratichi. I'm Anushka. I'm a pop star. Now it's your turn.
नया साल, नया कॉन्टेस्ट, नया जोश, नया जुनून और नया फंडा। एक ऐसा कॉन्टेस्ट जहां सभी विनर्स हैं, चाहे वो बैंड में शामिल हो या नहीं। द पॉप स्टार्स एक्सपीरियंस इज ऑलवेज वर्थ द एफर्ट। न्यू कॉन्टेस्ट, न्यू ज्यूरी। म्यूजिक बैंड यूफोरिया के लीड वोकलिस्ट डॉक्टर पलाश सेन, पॉप सिंगर महनाज, वीजे और एक्टर पूरब, जिनके जिम्मे होगा 2 लड़कियां और 2 लड़कों के इस पॉप बैंड को चुनना। 3 मेंबर ज्यूरी टूर करेगी भारत के 7 शहरों का, जिनकी शुरुआत होगी बेंगलोर से, फिर अहमदाबाद, चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली, लखनऊ, कोलकाता और आखिर में मुंबई।
The first city is on Bangalore. We're gonna rock.
कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2 के नेशन वाइड ऑडिशंस का पहला स्टॉप बेंगलोर, जहां सेंट जॉन्स ऑडिटोरियम में पॉप स्टार्स की धूम पहले से मची है।
We've come all the way from Hyderabad, from Assam, Mysore,
Tirupati.
Bro, just come here to have some
पॉप
fun.
स्टार्स में लड़कों का पहला मौका, यानी कि डबल जोश।
Okay, people come from Hyderabad. Are you serious?
This is an amazing experience for me because this is the first time I'm going to be judging on such a large scale.
Try again until you succeed, right?
शायद बहुत मजा आने वाला है और शायद बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आने वाला है। देखें क्या होता है।
My favorite judge, Palash Sen.
Palash, Purab, Menaz. I'm crazy about it.
Three of us are going to do our best to get the most talent out of you all to be in the next pop stars.
हैदराबाद से आई भार्गवी के 3 बहनें हैं, जिनमें से 2 आई हैं उसके साथ।
You know that she's got that thing. She should get it. Everybody's blessings from Hyderabad is with her.
पॉप स्टार्स का पहला पड़ाव, जहां ज्यूरी मेंबर्स का एक्साइटमेंट लड़की लड़कों से कम नहीं।
Singing is all about having fun, so just sing from your heart.
ये हैं बेंगलोर के मैथ्यू जेकब, जिनका सपना है पॉप स्टार बनना।
Music is like, I mean, that's everything. It's my life, and that's why I'm here. I want to show my talent to the world.
He's too good.
रजिस्ट्रेशंस होते हैं शुरू।
Hi, I'm Rajesh. I'm the first guy for the Popstar edition 2003.
और उसके बाद ऑडिशंस।
लास्ट टाइम किया था कुड़ियों ने कमाल, इस बार होगा कुड़ी मुंडा का धमाल। चैनल बी।
सबसे बड़ी बात जो बैंगलोर की मुझे पता है कि इट्स अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड ऑडियंस एंड अ डिसिप्लिन्ड
I'm very musical audience.
बहुत मजा आएगा।
बहुत मजा आएगा.
कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2003 के पहले परफॉर्मर्स।
Now really nervous. Excited. Scared. I'm not nervous. Hi.
नमस्कार मिताली, you are the first contestant on Pop Stars 2.
पिया तू अब तो आजा, शोला सामन बहके आके बुझा जा.
Fantastic, very nice, very nice. That's a very auspicious beginning to this entire thing. Very nice.
कोई कहे कहता रहे.
Very nice. All of you can sit over here, please. I think it should be 1, 2, 4, and 5.
All we're doing is actually just finding a decide.
So out of the 5 of you, 4 of you are staying. Aisha, you're the only one. I can't.
That's alright.
Yeah?
पहला रिजेक्शन।
I was kicked out. I got through. I think I'll go jump outside.
दिल क्या करे जब किसी को किसी से प्यार हो जब.
कोई गा रहा है तो कोई नाच रहा है।
हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना.
Excellent. Come on, guys.
बाहर खड़ी लाइन में एक पिता जो अपने सपने बच्चों के थ्रू साकार करना चाहते हैं।
I'm interested in music, so I train my children in musicals. I want to teach guitar to my eldest daughter and keyboard for my son. So I have resigned for my job also.
पिया तू, पिया तू, पिया तू, पिया तू, पिया तू, पिया तू, अब तो आजा.
No, I'm not upset. It's okay. Life goes on.
I'm down within, but I don't know what to do about it. It's okay. I'm gonna go home and eat ice cream.
अचानक घंटों से लाइन में खड़ी रुचि घबराकर निकल पड़ती है कहीं, लेकिन कहां और क्यों? और कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2 का पहला पंगा देखते रहिए ब्रेक के बाद। बैंगलोर ऑडिशन लाइन में खड़ी रुचि आई हैं अपने घर। उनकी चिंता का कारण उनका 4 साल का लड़का जो घर में अकेला है। पॉप स्टार्स का एक बड़ा पहलू, प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल जिंदगी के बीच एक बैलेंसिंग एक्ट। बैंगलोर ऑडिशंस में स्पेशल विजिटर्स, द ओरिजिनल पॉप स्टार बैंड वीवा।
How come the girls have turned out so less this time? I'm wondering.
How are you? Guys, Archana. She was there last year. All the best. Thanks.
Last time I came in with the fact that I might not, I won't get selected, I'm not good enough. But now I know, okay, I have it in me. I auditioned last year, but I didn't get in from Chandigarh. And this time I've come all the way to Bangalore.
बैंगलोर ऑडिशंस का एक टैलेंटेड उम्मीदवार, कन्नड़ा फिल्मों में एक प्लेबैक सिंगर अविनाश।
I have a lot of hopes on the Coke V Pop Stars. Hope I make it. It's my dream.
कोई कहे कहता रहे जितना भी हमको दीवाना, गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना.
Okay, we've seen lots of people coming today, but this guy's got potential.
क्यों हो पुराना.
Thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very nice.
कोई कहे कहता रहे इतना भी हमको दीवाना.
दीवाना भैया सुर कहाँ है?
अरे हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना.
अरे इतना परेशानी से मत गाना, खुश होएगा। चल।
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना.
Scream! I'm coming tomorrow back again for you. Yes.
The Pop Stars. I won.
You told me to come tomorrow.
Since last year, when they have selected the first group, since then we were actually dreaming about this program.
I'm really sad about this. I thought I'd be going to Bombay for the audition week, but it's not possible.
20 साल की नंदिनी आई है शिमोगा से। बचपन से ट्रेंड क्लासिकल सिंगर,
पिया तू अब तो आजा,
Nandini, you have to show the camera what you have in your hand. This is a pitch pipe, and Nandini takes her pitch first, and then she sings. Great.
You're going about it the right way.
First person all day who's given me goosebumps.
My daddy now is in the hospital.
Okay.
He has heart attack. It's very serious. He's in a very serious condition. I wish if he could be here with me, hear me singing.
वहां ऑडिशन रूम में शुरू होते हैं गिटार सेशंस।
Mashallah.
Superb. And I hope you record this song one day because it's really, really, it gets you the first time you hear it.
This is the way to do it.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना ओ हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये ज़माना.
Thank you so much. Popstar song. We want to hear
do your
that.
song.
Yeah.
You've done Karnataka Hindustani.
Yeah.
That's really cool. For 12 years.
Yeah.
Great.
She also believes that she has everything to become a pop star.
Why not?
Very nice, Bhargavi. Very nice. Hyderabadi Potti. Very nice.
Unselected. What? I'm happy for her. इसका बैंड बजेगा.
ये है राशि, जिसका है एग्जाम वर्सेस ऑडिशन का इशू।
Now the issue is that I have qualified for today, but tomorrow I have my exam and tomorrow is the next round.
This time तुम्हारा बैंड बजेगा.
हम इसके टीचर से बात करेंगे if she can drop. तो अभी क्या करना चाहिए बताइए, आप क्या सजेस्ट करती हैं?
Rashi, it's in your hand. Whatever you want to say, do. But
जी मैम.
twice before you decide, okay?
जी मैम.
Exams you can once again appear in November, but this is a lifetime opportunity. Go for this.
They're ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Piya tu.
Your kid is outside, Ruchi?
Yeah.
How old is the boy?
4 years.
Who is he with right now outside?
Lonely.
He's alone?
Yes.
What are you doing here? You can't leave the kid alone outside.
Maybe he can cooperate.
Yeah, he can do it. And if you become a pop star, you'd like to go ahead with all this? Yeah?
I'll manage.
Ruchi's son waits patiently for 4 hours. Finally, she is back, and her son is happy.
Chale beta. It's very tired, na? It's very tired. Now, please come.
But some people aren't.
समझते नहीं है क्या?
Q, I was like, go to hell.
सूर्या खड़ा होगा यहाँ पे, बता रहा हूँ मैं.
This is too rude. Call.
कोकवी पॉपस्टार्स 2 का पहला पंगा इस ब्रेक के बाद।
समझते नहीं है क्या? सूर्या खड़ा होगा यहाँ पे, बता रहा हूँ मैं.
Please travel up here right now.
कुछ घंटों पहले बैंगलोर पॉपस्टार्स ऑडिशन में
The thing is, she's not yet 18.
I'm going to turn 18 in another 10 days.
Can you use it as a reason to defer her from participation because her parents don't want her to do it?
I'm here with their permission.
और अब गुरदीप कौर के भाई
जब हम सुबह से बोल रहे हैं, समझते नहीं है क्या? सर्टिफिकेट लाए, 18 साल की नहीं हुई है वो. सूर्या खड़ा होगा यहाँ पे, बता रहा हूँ मैं. वो लड़की सारे यहाँ से के भागेंगे.
Morning when I told them about it, they actually made a publicity issue of it and followed us with cameras. Okay?
You do know that you're here for a TV show, right?
No, I'm not here for a TV show.
Channel V is a television channel.
Okay, are you rolling the camera?
Okay, tell me what the issue is.
What kind of people are you?
Are you going to tell me what the issue is?
Yes, you're not up the camera up your.
गुरदीप कौर का पॉपस्टार सपना खो गया, बस मिली तो भाइयों की डांट।
This is a very tired set of judges right now.
Yeah.
And look at this one and look at this one.
I'm still smiling.
You're smiling in your sleep, brother.
पॉपस्टार्स बैंगलोर का डे 2। वही चेहरे, लेकिन नया जोश।
Oh, I'm really nervous. Let's see what happens. I have no idea what the judges want today.
Namaste. Today I'm in a very bad mood. So lots of people are going to go out. Palash is in a worse mood.
I'm in a really terrible mood. I'm going to sack a lot of people we kept behind yesterday. We're going to check out one jury member also this one.
First yesterday, first today answer. Good luck, Rajesh. Remember, smile, perform, look happy, enjoy yourself. Because if you're not going to do that, we're not going to waste too much time on you.
Rajesh.
What song have you come with?
Oh, Mitwa.
Go for it.
Start.
ऑडिशन शुरू होते हैं
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you.
और रिजेक्शंस भी।
साधु
Sorry, you're not in the next
आज का जजिंग प्रोसेस और भी कड़ा है।
Sorry, we won't be calling you back. You're not coming in the next round.
You won't be in the next round.
कोई करता है ज्यूरी को खुश करने की कोशिश।
Jamie for chorus?
No, you sing alone right now.
Jago
No, that's wrong key.
Key is wrong. The key is wrong.
तो कोई स्पॉन्सर को।
मैं आए तो बात बन जाए।
We can't have India. You're not in the next round. This is it. Thank you.
So can I try the other one?
Thank you.
I look so chirpy, no? As if I got selected or something.
Only 2 lines, sir. Only 2 lines. What's there in singing in that?
I could not get through the contest.
The look is nice.
I like the look. Very pleasant, very sweet.
Come back in the afternoon. Thank you so much.
शिल्पा मजबूरन अपने 2 महीने के बेबी को घर छोड़ के आई हैं।
I have a 2-month-old baby at home, so I am very anxious to see what is happening at home.
2 तरफा ध्यान रखना होता है मुश्किल।
You're on camera, you're on channel B. Mr. Baby, Mr. Baby, zara dehkta hai.
I sing with my heart. Like, I consider music as my life and I can do anything for it. मेरी सांसों में तेरी खुशबू है, मेरे दिल में धड़क तेरा दिल है, तेरी चाहत को दीवाना जाने जा, मेरे दिल में सांसों में तू है।
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना।
अंदर नाच गाने का सिलसिला जोश में है।
कलाई क्यों आता है मुझको प्यार में जल जाना।
Even though I don't know how to dance properly, but I just did something and I think I did pretty well. Good. Today we're not going to cry. No, we'll not cry. We shall not cry.
I forgot my exams. I'm in. I said, "Bao mein chale aaye and they are in my bao."
Riyaz.
Mr. Ooh, look at the look
If you
today.
don't perform
Check
today.
the look out.
Yeah, you can kill me.
We'll throw all these cans on you.
Okay, fine. I'll do anything that you say.
I'll clap also for you if you want. Come on.
निकम्मा किया इस दिल ने किया है निकम्मा।
I want to know one thing. How much money have you spent since the morning?
About 4,000 rupees.
Ooh.
Just for
How
this.
much is the shirt for?
850.
And how much is the jeans for?
1,050.
You should have given the jury some money also, you know.
I can give you a treat for letting
You're
me.
into the next round. Thank you so
You
much.
have given us a treat, so we're following you back.
We'll see you in the next round. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank
See you.
हर संत कहे साधु कहे
आ जा रे
कल वापस आ जा We're calling you back.
We're calling you back.
Go.
I just sang one word. Okay, done. Your next round, you're there. Selected.
Yeah!
There's nothing new about his winning prizes. And with channels like yours projecting him, fame may catch up with him.
I sang one line. Then they told you're selected for it.
As they say, no, rice, when you want to check whether rice is cooked, one morsel is enough. You don't have to say the whole thing.
350 people yesterday we auditioned in Bangalore, brought it down to 210 today, and now it's 87. It's going to come down to maybe 10 or 15 by the end of this day. And then there's 6 more cities. And after that, it's going to boil down to just 4 people. I feel bad, but then I guess I'm selected to do this job.
Hi, Pa. ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ Today he's going to get discharged from the hospital.
तीसरा राउंड जहां लड़के लड़कियों की पेयरिंग होगी।
What we are going to do now is call one of the guys and one of the girls. Both of you will come up over here. Pick up a song both of you would like to sing. Sing the song. If you're on, we'll let you know right then and there. If you're not, you walk down this aisle and go out.
Okay, not many of you are going to be in this room for a very long time. This is your last chance. Once you are on stage and you've been asked to leave, please don't ask for a second chance.
We'll start with you, and we'll start with you.
It's the attention time.
I don't think I've never been nervous like this ever in my life.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा
हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन।
Thank you so much. Thank you. Muzaffar, you're going to be staying. Bhajan, you have to go.
I'm scared.
ओ मेरे हम सफर प्यार की राह पर।
Matthew, could you put your guitar down and sing with her so you can emote a little more? That's what we're looking for.
मैथ्यू के रिजेक्शन का कारण नॉन परफॉर्मेंस।
You play good guitar. Yeah. You got to be a better performer, right? So you got to go.
Couldn't make it. I made a lot of mistakes there. I'm just feeling bad because I expected a lot of success.
So sad. He sung so well. He played guitar so well.
When you have so many talented people around, you feel really bad to send some of them home. I mean, the fact is that some are better than the other.
चलो ढूंढते हैं हम तुम कहीं वो परी वो हूर वो।
शिल्पा को रिजेक्ट किया जाता है पर्सनल रीजंस के लिए।
Because we know you have prior commitments, and of course your kid is much more important to you. There's a lot of expectations. So you are very good. It is a little unfair, but I guess my situation is like that, and I'm definitely going to come back next year. So I've got no hard feelings, no problem.
तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ।
You want to stay? You want to go?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, you stay.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन मैं यहाँ से।
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
रियाज, अब ऐसा है, शोशे वोशे तेरे पूरे फुल ऑन है, गाने में कमी है यार। ये याद रखना, जब तक टैलेंट नहीं होगा ना तो कोई तुझे सीरियसली नहीं लेगा। So we'll let you go. Okay? Yeah?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
No, there's nothing wrong, actually. The way I did it, there was nothing wrong. At the end of the day, I've given my best shot, so I'm happy about it.
I know I was not the best, so I didn't get selected. That's it, please.
Upset तो है, उसका वजह।
नहीं, you're not telling anything that. No, I don't want to talk about this. Please don't record this. It's very upsetting.
Thank you guys for coming. You're both very, very talented. It's just that maybe today, maybe here, we were looking for something which we didn't find.
1 year gone. Yeah, it's okay.
Call. One line you sung wrong, it's like, go. This is too rude. पिया तू अब तो आजा, शोला सा मन दह के आके बुझा जा।
Hold on, just
I
hold on.
think you just mixed up the lines with the tune because
Just confuse the tune.
Yes, I
Try it again.
One chance you can give, right? At least I would have tried little. मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो
सुर की
सनम।
सुर तो गलत क्यों करते हो यार?
They should improve little. They should try to give at least chance.
Good again. Come on.
जाने जा।
So what is going to be the next part?
ढूंढता
What is going to be the next part?
मुझको आवाज। Bloody, they're like, no, you're sorry, you can't help it, and bloody you. I was like, go to hell.
Thanks for coming. Thank you for coming. But sorry, you guys.
Bloody, I paid 57 rupees, 58 rupees. I pay so much. Thank you very much. I really, really enjoyed this. It was very, very, you know, what do you say? Nothing.
This is It's the last and final round tonight.
Just give it your best and remember, you're never a failure if you give it your best.
और आखिरकार वक्त आता है फाइनल डिसीजन का, जिसके लिए सभी को गाने की एक लाइन को अलग सुरों में गाना पड़ता है।
This is what you're going to sing. बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ, सबकी जीत हो कोई हार ना। 1 2 3 4 टूट गई जो उंगली उठी, सबकी जीत हो 5 मिली जो। Keep singing as we call out numbers. Please step forward.
और अब है नतीजे की बारी।
बार बार हाँ।
कौन होंगे बैंगलोर फाइनल्स के विनर्स?
Okay.
जिन्हें मिल सकता है मुंबई फाइनल राउंड जाने का मौका।
You guys are not.
जानने के लिए देखते रहिए कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2। कोक वी पॉप स्टार्स 2 की पहली सिटी बैंगलोर। ऑडिशंस के रिजल्ट्स का वक्त।
Everybody who stepped forward, you guys are not the losers. You guys are the Bangalore finalists.
बैंगलोर से चुने गए 8 लड़कियां और 8 लड़के।
Papa, I got selected.
Wow, I knew my sister would do it.
I'm not so happy. I'm just happy.
I'm an AR artist. You understand?
Come here. You're a man. Huh? Wash your tears off. The world is not the way you think it is. It is what it is.
I didn't fulfill my father's wish. Feel I'm a failure.
Your talent is with you, isn't it? Don't worry.
Seeing me do, just don't get discouraged because it depends upon your talent. All the best.
Shall we rock?
पॉप स्टार्स का कारवां निकल पड़ता है अपनी अगली मंजिल की ओर। पहली बार अहमदाबाद में।
अहमदाबाद के सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। बाहर का तापमान 34 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
What lies in store in this city? राजपथ क्लब पे सवेरे से ही एक्साइटेड पार्टिसिपेंट्स की लगी है लाइन।
स्वागत છે અમદાવાદ.
Hello channel league, welcome to Ahmedabad. Game time at 7 AM, 6 AM, 12:30, 7:50, 8:30.
One more time. देखे जरा किसने कितना है दम.
I'm here to be a pop star.
अंदर जाके पता नहीं लेकिन I will definitely there.
मेरा नंबर कब आएगा? मेरा नाम ध्रुव है। अभी मैं वी चैनल पॉप स्टार 2 के लिए जा रहा हूँ। रास्ते में जितने भी मंदिर आए मैं वहाँ माथा टेक के आया हूँ।
I am very much fond of songs and music. By profession ऐसे बोलते हैं कि मैं दिमाग से डॉक्टर हूँ लेकिन दिल से I am an artist.
माँ कसम अगर मुझे सिलक नहीं किया तो चुन चुन के गाऊंगा, बाथरूम में गाऊंगा।
हादिका इस दिन का ख्वाब 1 साल से देख रही थी।
Auditions and all. I used to think when it's gonna come in Ahmedabad. I'm so excited. बैंड बजेगा ना? बैंड बजेगा?
बैंड बजेगा, पक्का बजेगा।
सरस्वती महाभागी विद्या कमलोचनी विश्वरूपी विशालाक्षी विद्याम देहि सरस्वती।
Dance and sing.
Are you ready?
Auditions always make you creep, don't they?
शुरुआत अहमदाबाद ऑडिशंस की।
First competitors from Ahmedabad. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much.
सपनों का जो देश है हाँ हम वही है पले। कोई कहे कहता रहे, कोई है कैसा जमाना।
आप अलग अलग शब्दों पे अलग गाना गा रहे हैं, कुछ नया गाना बन गया है। आप हमारे साथ रहेंगे, आप और आप। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।
Listen guys, they have called me for the second day. I am selected and they have called me. या तू
अब तो आजा।
We won't be calling any one of you back. Do you work out, Sailesh? Yep. Don't you do some push-ups? You're on camera. 36, 35, 34.
ये है साइलेश, जो अपनी फैमिली यानी कि बीवी और होने वाले बच्चे के साथ ऑडिशंस देने आए हैं। मौका पाते ही साइलेश पहुंचते हैं अपनी प्रेग्नेंट बीवी की देखभाल करने।
कोई कहे कहता रहे, कितना भी हमको दीवाना कितना भी हमको दीवाना।
Yes, I'm selected. Selected, man.
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो हार कभी नहीं मानते, क्योंकि उनके लिए पॉपस्टार बनना ही सब कुछ है। ऐसी ही कहानी है बेंगलोर में रिजेक्ट किए गए रियाज की, जो अब आ पहुंचे हैं अहमदाबाद।
I've been traveling right from about 4:30 yesterday evening, so 24 hours of journey. I know I'll make it because I'm confident that this time nothing will go wrong. I want to take each and every step of the audition very seriously.
Yeah, Riyaz. अबे ये समझ कर। Good to see you. Don't get scared, Riyaz. You're a performer.
कोई कहे कहता रहे, कितना भी हमको दीवाना।
Riyaz, where are you staying?
I don't know. I just met a guy in train and he just pulled me here and he said that if you make it to the second round or whatever you want to stay, I'm not going to let you stay anywhere. You stay in my place.
Only if you make it through the round, he'll let you stay.
No, he said whatever it is, you want to stay in Ahmedabad, you're going to stay in my place.
So you have to stay in this place because you made it to the second round.
I just met him on train. He was coming from Surat and I didn't know the place at all. His name is Mihir. I guess I'm not going to be speaking again tonight because I have to practice a lot. I want to definitely make it this time. Come what may. So.
हर किसी का अपना अंदाज है। पॉप स्टार्स eventually is a showcase of singing talents and other talents as well. इतने में वक्त आता है साइलेश की वाइफ के ऑडिशन का।
My wife is there, so she is pregnant right now. 7 months is going on. It's pretty bad condition for her to be here.
तन की ज्वाला ठंडी हो जाए, ऐसे गले लगा जा आ आ आ आ आ मोनिका।
Sailesh, you can sing this part, yeah? So guys, give a big hand to Sailesh. That's the greatest thing. Absolutely.
They like my voice, but like with baby, I can't. मेरा गीत अमर कर लो।
It's so hard to be over there, so I'm pretty happy.
मेरी प्रीत अमर कर लो। या तू अब तो आजा।
ऐसे कहोगी तो भाग जाएगा यार।
मैं पिछले रहा।
कोई कहे कहता रहे, कितना भी हमको दीवाना।
अरे हाँ, अरे हाँ, अरे हाँ।
मुझे कल बुलाया गया है, सो अब मैं अपना गेटअप चेंज करने के लिए जा रही हूँ। कुछ चेंज इन हेयर और कुछ लुक्स। I'll try my best.
Ahmedabad's Dr. Meghna, a doctor who nurses the dream of becoming a pop star.
Okay, मैंने कल के लिए ये कपड़े चूज किए हैं। See you tomorrow in round 2.
कोई है जिसे गुस्से में कुछ कहना है। What's a point? Find out after the break when Kokwi Popstars 2 returns. पॉपस्टार्स के अहमदाबाद ऑडिशन में इस पार्टिसिपेंट को देर से आने की वजह से एंट्री नहीं मिली।
These are not my tears. These are my feelings.
दूसरे दिन का जोश कुछ ज्यादा ही है।
I'll be the boss.
Let's see what I can prove.
Wow.
Go. I'm going for my final exam of PBA.
हादिका अपने एग्जाम के बजाय ऑडिशन देना चाहती है।
She doesn't want to miss this.
Come on, run.
What will you lose if you miss this paper?
I'll spoil 2 years of my studies.
Don't worry, we're going to take her in the next 5-10 minutes. Finish your audition first and you run off for your exam, okay? Don't miss your exam.
Wow, he's so sweet.
दूसरे दिन के ऑडिशंस की शुरुआत।
निकम्मा किया गाएगा इस नोट पे।
निकम्मा किया इस दिल ने किया है निकम्मा आशिकी चाहता है।
Where's all your new outfits you bought last time?
शौकिया सब एक साइड, उसको साइड में रखना और गाने पे ध्यान देना।
Riyaz, we'll see you in the afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
बाहों में चलिया।
Thank you so much, doctor. मैम आपके कितने बच्चे हैं?
2.
एक तो we met her yesterday.
हाँ.
You do have a younger daughter.
Younger daughter.
How old is she?
But I'm sorry to inform you that I lost my husband and a younger daughter in a car accident.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
When was this?
4 years back. I miss them a lot.
Okay, Meghna, the thing is this that हम लोग जिस तरह का एक बैंड बनाना चाहते हैं, उसके अंदर age will be a criterion A. B, आपको अपनी बेटी के बिना अगले 1 साल 2 साल के लिए रहना पड़ेगा और इस दुनिया में आपके सिवा उसका और कोई नहीं है।
I'm trying my best to balance all these things. With my daughters, my responsibilities and my personal interest and my profession and all these things. It's very hard. So this music is the only thing.
What we would say is that, you know, yes, you do need that tonic in life, but maybe this is not the platform for you.
Yeah.
So we'll meet you again, definitely. कहीं ना कहीं तो जरूर मुलाकात होगी। आपसे मिलके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I admire your strength and courage, and I must say that your daughter has a very, very lovely mother.
ये है पेट्रोल पंप ओनर तेजेंद्र सिंह।
हेलो सर।
कोई ठेठ पंजाबी गाना सुना यार।
मैं दर्दी रब रब कर दी वे, मैं दर्दी रब रब।
तेजेंद्र, अब तुम 32 साल के हो गए हो और तुम्हारी एक बिजनेस है, फैमिली भी होगी।
फैमिली भी है। I had my wife, I had my kids.
Oh, you have kids? How many kids?
do you have?
I had 2 kids.
तो ये सब छोड़ के आप 2 साल रह पाओगे?
Actually वाइफ ने मुझे यहाँ भेजा है।
तेजेंद्र, ऐसा तो नहीं है तेरी बीवी तुझे भगाना चाहती है?
नहीं।
धक्के दे रही है।
अभी तक तो ऐसा कोई
ठीक है, वैसे
हुआ नहीं है।
Oh, we definitely got some really talented people.
Hey dola re, hey dola re dola re dola re dola, hey dola dil dola man dola re dola, लगदा ने दो नजरिया गिर जाने दो बिजुरिया, dola re dola re. My main aim was to become a professional singer because my mom is a professional singer.
In Ahmedabad?
Yeah. मेरा नाम चिन चू बाबा चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हरे।
Thank you so much.
What are you studying?
BA with psychology.
Are you willing to give that up?
You know what will happen, right? If you do get selected, then you'll have to be in Bombay and...
Can't I study there?
No, how
you
will
can't
get...
study over there. You'll be training.
no time.
We can give external exam.
Correspondence.
Yeah. प्यार का दीवाना।
We've got more girls than boys.
बेजान दिल को
तड़प से गा शुरू।
तड़प 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 तड़प।
If you compare it to Bangalore, no, not the same numbers, definitely. No way.
I'm not selected. I won't be able to talk.
दूसरा दिन दोहराता है वही जज्बात, आंसू, गम और खुशी।
I'm selected for this afternoon. Janu! My mummy.
Select हो गई।
My father. पूरे घर में किसी को नहीं है, इतने expectations पापा को है।
उसकी एक तमन्ना है।
Are you all ready for the final rounds of this audition? Okay, good luck to all of you all. May the best ones win. Nobody is a loser in this room.
We have already made pairs of all of you. The pairs that have been formed will sit together, decide upon which song you want to do, and come and perform for us when we call you inside to do the song.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा। Don't waste our time, please.
अब बारी है ड्यूएट्स राउंड की।
जोड़ती फिर रही
जा रे जा
ढूंढती फिर रही हूँ यहाँ से।
I like the goal. Look at this, look at this. Immense enthusiasm, and he's working his way to come wherever he is. Yeah, he's doing a good job because we're all convinced.
नाच गाना हो गया? You know, we made a mistake. We gave you the wrong guy to sing with. You think so?
It's fine. I could have taken up with any.
Great answer. Great answer. Both of you are in for the evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Selected. You couldn't make it. I make it.
I'm very excited. I just want to fly in the sky.
जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन मैं यहाँ
से वहाँ।
You'll have to improve a lot, Vinny. We'll see you in the evening.
They should have selected me. I don't know what they want.
He was not moving actually. The main problem was there. I did very good expressions. I know that. So I made it.
I'm a winner. I know I did my best.
आखिरकार ये रहे वो चेहरे जिनमें से कई बुलाए जाएंगे मुंबई।
जय, तजिंदर सिंह, रियाज, अनिरुद्ध,
विधि, जैनी, मिताली, पायल, ग्रेस, हादिका, निराली, भविष्या, श्रद्धा, दर्शना, मेघा, प्रीति, सोनी, स्वीटी, दारा,
चंद्रभानु, त्याग, गौतम, जयदीप, जगदीप।
इनमें से कौन होंगे अहमदाबाद के पॉप स्टार्स फाइनलिस्ट्स? फैसले की घड़ी और करीब है।
You all do know that some of you are not going to make it. Some of you will make it.
क्या होता है अहमदाबाद का फैसला? कौन होगा सिलेक्ट? किसे करेंगे रिजेक्ट? सी द थ्रिलिंग रिजल्ट नेक्स्ट वीक, जहां साथ ही साथ दिखेंगे चंडीगढ़ के ऑडिशंस। देखते रहिए अब किसका बैंड बजेगा।
Addicted.